Hello Zootastic fans, I'm Mark and today we're looking at a bird that is not only stunningly beautiful, but also a bit of a living mystery. Once again, we are here at the Allwetterzoo Muenster in Germany to meet the incredible Edward's pheasant, a bird that is as rare as it is colorful. If you look at the males, you'll see a coat of metallic blue feathers that shine like jewels, topped off with a funky white crest on their heads. The females are a bit more low-key in their elegant brown plumage, which is perfect for staying hidden in the dense tropical forests. Originally from the rainforests of Vietnam, these birds are sadly one of the most endangered pheasant species in the entire world. In fact, they are so rare that they haven't been seen in the wild for years, which makes the work here at the Allwetterzoo Muenster even more vital. And that's why I was so happy that in my starting days of filming at our zoo, I even saw a hatchling. And this zoo is part of a global effort to save them, acting like a safe haven for a species that is technically possibly extinct in nature. Watching them move through the greenery, you can see they are quite shy and prefer to spend their time foraging on the floor. They have a very sophisticated palate, dining on a mix of seeds, fallen fruits and the occasional crunchy insect they find under the leaves. And one of the coolest things about them is how they communicate, using a series of low calls and subtle movements to talk to their partners. Here in Muenster, the keepers have designed a lush, quiet aviary that mimics their misty mountain home in Vietnam perfectly. It's a place where they can feel safe, build their nests and hopefully contribute to the future of their entire species through breeding. Every time a new chick hatches here, it's a massive win for conservation and a sign of hope for these blue-feathered beauties. So, while they might not be as loud as a parrot or as big as an ostrich, they carry a very important story on their wings. The Edward's pheasant is proof that zoos are more than just places to see animals. They are lifeboats for the world's most vulnerable creatures. And if you think this blue-feathered legend is as cool as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Zootastic for more wildlife stories. And next time you walk through the zoo in Muenster, if you ever have the chance to visit it, keep your eyes peeled for that metallic blue shimmer and say hello to a true survivor, which are housed quite opposite to the tigers, by the way. And now I'm going to be quiet and let you enjoy some tranquil, stunning footage of these amazing creatures for the rest of the video.